How would you like to own a new home with classic craftsman style design and a true focus on convenient luxury living? Welcome to Stoneridge Farms in Adams Township, where you can turn that dream of building a new home into a reality. Hi, I'm Ryan Kite, your sales and marketing representative. Join me as we introduce this highly sought after community, Stoneridge Farms. Our unique attached 3-car garage craftsman style homes can give you everything you want for yourself and your family. Granite kitchen countertops, plentiful cabinets, and the latest stainless steel appliances can all be yours in your new customizable kitchen. Our Stoneridge Farms homes also offer the convenience of main level living with the owner's suite just off the great room and 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom for your friends and your family. For even more space, choose an optional recreation room in the lower level. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the game or a movie with your family in your very own media room. One of the greatest features of Stoneridge Farms is its incredible half to full acre usable home sites, large enough for a pool, kids play set, and that entertaining area you've always dreamed about. Located in the Mars Area School District, Stoneridge Farms is close to shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences just minutes from Route 228, Myoma Road, and Mars Evans City Road. Commuting into downtown Pittsburgh is easy too, because Stoneridge Farms is conveniently located to Route 228, Interstate 79, Route 19, and Route 8. If any of these amazing features fit what you're looking for, take the next step and come and visit us at Stoneridge Farms. We look forward to meeting you soon.